Hi there, kindergartners! Welcome back to Math with Miss Hulsart. Today we are starting with a question, and the question says, have you ever eaten a watermelon? Yes or no? No, this is our yes column. So friends who say yes, they have eaten a watermelon will go in this column. This is our no column. Friends who say no, they've never eaten a watermelon would go in that column. So let's count. How many friends do you think, based on people you know, are we going to have more say yes or more say no? What do you notice about our data, friends? Have you ever eaten a watermelon? Remember, this is our yes column, and this is our no column. Think about, what do you notice? Use a word like more or less, greater or fewer. Yeah, I noticed that our data is very unbalanced. We have a greater number of friends say yes than no. Before we even count, let's look at this one. How many people have not eaten watermelon? It's so easy to count. Get ready. Yeah, we didn't even need to count. One person said they have not eaten watermelon. Now let's go back and count how many people said they have eaten watermelon. Count with me. Get ready. 1, 'Did you get 15? Me too. 15 people said yes, they have eaten a watermelon. Think about, how am I going to write the number 15? 15 is 2 digits. You need a and a. If you said a 1 and a 5, you are absolutely correct. So let's think about our number sentence. 15 people have eaten a watermelon. One person has not eaten a watermelon. We want to know how many people answered today's question. Are we going to have plus or minus? All together is an addition problem. Yeah, good job, friends. It should be plus. Now, this one we don't even need to count. It's only one more. Just think about what number comes after 15. If you're not sure, you can count. Don't go all the way back though. Start at 10. Ready? Let's try together. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, 16 people answered today's question. 16 is a 1 and a 6. 16 people. Your turn to read the number sentence. Get ready. 15 plus 1 equals 16. Nice work, kindergartners. Now, your work today is about 2 games we've already played. Toss the Chips and Racing Bears. So I'm going to remind you, because it's been a while since we've played either of these games. I'm going to remind you how to play, and then you're going to be able to play both of them during math today. It's called Toss the Chips. It says record the number of red and yellow counters for each toss. Now this starts with 4. We are playing with 6 counters. How many counters? Yeah, 6 counters. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to press my arrow until I get to 6. And right here, total number, how many am I playing with? Yeah, 6 counters. Then I'm going to click toss. How many do you see that are red? 2. Good. I'm going to do red first. And how many are yellow? 4. Very good. 2 and 4. Then I'm going to hit toss again. Oh, this time I have a different arrangement. How many do you see that are red? Just 1. And then we can count our yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you're going to play all the way through this recording sheet. When you're done, you're going to see a little green check mark right here. You're going to click the check and turn in your work to your teacher. The other game we are going to play is Racing Bears. Now this is a game that my friends loved when we played it the first time. You can play with up to 4 people, so if you have lots of brothers and sisters or grown-ups in your house that you want to play with, you can play with that many, or you can just play with one person, or you can even play by yourself. Now I'm kind of going to play by myself, so I'm going to move this down so I don't get confused. I'm going to play with blue and red. Red is going to go first, so I'm going to roll the dice, and he's going to move 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's blue's turn. 3, 1, 2, 3. Red's turn again. 1. Blue's turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I wonder who's going to get there first. 2, 1, 2. Oh, not yet. Let's see if blue can do it. 4, 1. Oh, blue got all the way to the end. So I take a blue counter because blue wins. And we go back to the beginning and start again. This time blue's going to go first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Red's turn. 6. Blue's turn. 3. Red's turn. Oh my goodness, now red got all the way there. So we take a red counter and bring them back to the beginning. You can play a few rounds of that and see who gets the most counters. Again, when you're all done, make sure you press the check mark and turn your work in to your teacher. Now, friends, the last thing you're going to have is this worksheet. It says, pretend you are playing Toss the Chips with 6 red and yellow chips. Fill in the chart for the yellow chips. So this one already filled out the red for us. 2, 1, it shows us, but we have to count yellow. Now remember, Miss Hulsart likes to mark off when she counts so that I don't ever get tricked. So I'm going to mark my yellow when I count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, good, yeah, 4 yellow. So I'm going to take my pen and write a 4. 4 yellow. And then I can go and finish the rest. As always, make sure you turn it in when you're done. Have fun, kindergartners!